Introducing the new VESTA Kit, designed to provide reliable and secure wireless connectivity in residential and business environments. This kit is available in two options, 2G and 4G, allowing users to choose the option that best suits their connectivity needs. VESTA Kit includes Central IP Ethernet VESTA-046N plus 2G or Central IP Ethernet VESTA-047N plus 4G. The Home Security Central with 320 zones via radio. 240 users. 8 partitions. Amplified quick connection for external GPRS antenna. Prepared to support high-capacity external battery. Includes mini USB quick connector to connect external organic battery. Certification Grade 2. It also includes a corner bracket. All elements come linked and ready to use in the control panel. The VESTA Kit is easy to install and use, making it ideal for users who want a plug-and-play connectivity solution. PER detector via radio with anti-PET and remote adjustable sensitivity. Magnetic contact via radio. Certification Grade 2. 4-button radio button. Certification Grade 2. Includes a base for the central. Installation material and a mini USB connector.